All right, now we're doing 8Q arguments to binary addition. This is by Javat Lakali, and 84% of the people like it. Given an array, we're going to add all the number elements and return the binary equivalent of that sum. To make the code bulletproof, anything else than a number should be added as 0 since it can't be added. If our language can handle float binaries, assume the array won't. Okay, whatever. So basically, we're just going to use a reduce on this, but we're also going to make sure that that the element is a number and not anything else. All right. So if you don't know what reduce is, here's reduce right here. The reduce method executes a user-supplied reducer callback function on each element of the array in order, passing in the return value from the calculation on the preceding element. The final result of running the reducer across all elements of the array is a single value. The easiest to understand case of reduce is to return the sum of all elements. Okay, so here's the syntax we're going to be using. We're going to be using the previous value, current value, arrow function, and we're also going to have an initial value on it. All right. So what we're going to do is r.reduce, and we're going to have a previous value, current value, arrow function right here, and we're going to say previous value, and then plus, and now we're going to say if, pardon me, we're going to check if it's a number or not, if the current value is a number or not. And by doing that, we're going to use the, we're going to use the typeof, which the typeof operator returns a string indicating the type of the unevaluated operand. So if it's like 42, it's a number. If it's a string, it's a string. If it's true, it's a boolean, whatnot. So we're going to say if type of cur equals number, then we're going to plug in cur, and if not, 0. Okay, because if not, we want to add 0. All right, and now also we need to have an initial value in there. That is. So now all we got to do is convert it to binary, and we use this number.prototype.string and this toString, and the toString method returns a string representing the specified number object. And all you do is put toString and then the radix in the parentheses, and it does what you want. So .toString, and the radix we're using is 2 for binary, and let's see what happens. All right, cool. I attempt it. All right, submit it. All right, let's go to my solutions. Just me, best practice in my opinion. Very much like this, and we'll see you next time.